My name is Rasika,
My name is Kaustav.
and together we are two and a half Maharashtrians. That's a good intro. Hello guys and welcome to our vlog. It's been a while. It's been a very long time. But we're back again and we are going to shoot a weekend in a life vlog. Yeah, a weekend in a life vlog. Rin! 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 Hi! Anyway, we are going out right now because we're out of groceries. So we need to buy some stuff. And on Sunday, it's a friend's birthday. So I am going to attempt baking a cake for the first time. Like a cake. And not like mug cake that I suck at. So I already suck at baking mug cakes. Kaustubh somehow has managed to master in that area, and I don't know how, but he makes really good mug cake. But mug cake won't cut it for a birthday because it's a birthday. So we're planning to bake a cake, at least I am, and I'm going to try and make it look aesthetic in some way. And they're back. Say hi to the vlog.
I was saying hide somewhere because Rin wanted to play hide and seek. And you're busy with.
Yeah, I am going to be busy with these guys because we haven't seen them for a month.
Oh, by the way.
Say hi.
Guys.
Say hi.
Sorry about this.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. My name is Rasika,
My name is Kaustav.
and together we are two and a half Maharashtrians. That's a good intro.
I know we are good at intros. We are just.
We've
bad
got
at-
it. We've still got it even after a month.
We are just bad at outros. We are good at intros.
True. Okay, we're going to go now. I told them already that we are going to Lidl
Okay.
and that we have to bake a cake
Sorry
for
about
our friend.
this hairstyle, which Rasika gave me a few months back, if you remember.
If you don't, and if you're new here, then the link is right here.
Yes.
Oh, and a little update. I got vaccinated, but
got
we
vaccinated.
couldn't put it on the vlog
Yeah.
because it was raining that day and I was in a bad mood.
It was raining very badly,
Yeah, it was raining
and she was tired.
Yeah, and plus I didn't feel like vlogging, so we didn't vlog that. But I have some news which about my visa extension. A lot of you don't know, so I'm gonna make another separate video for that on this channel. Anyway, just visa update video which will go live the next week, I guess.
I guess.
Okay, I'm going to quickly make a list before going.
This is what we bribe him when we go out, so that he will stay quiet for 5 minutes and then start crying.
ए आपल्याकडे ऑल पर्पज फ्लावर आहे का बघ बरं.
I was telling him something.
Oh, sorry.
Now I'm out of the frame. Dramatic exit.
They did not even see you.
They saw me already.
Oh. Okay, guys, we need to get butter, cream cheese, vanilla extract, heavy cream.
Heavy.
We don't have to get all-purpose flour. Yogurt, lemon, strawberry, soda water, oat milk, veggies, chicken, fruits. Topping list of a cup.
2 months old brioche.
Ooh. Okay, it's our.
It's our? What it's our? It's not ours.
It's our-
yours.
It's yours. तू म्हटलं होतं तू खाशील.
एकत्र तुझं उरलं होतं. मी बाकीचे सगळे खाल्ले होते.
Wow.
I-
You are listening to a lie first hand.
Yes, they are
A
listening to
lie
a
that he told me a month back that
You-
he'll eat that brioche roll and he never did, and it's been 2 months since we bought it and he didn't eat it. तू म्हटलं होतं मी तू खाशील कारण मी म्हटलं होतं की मी फेकेल मला नाही पाहिजे, and you said you'll eat it, but
I
it's
said
been 2 months since you said that and it's
we
still
will
like
eat
there.
it, but you
No,
will not.
you said you will eat it.
No,
It's a lie. Our marriage is based upon a lie. That he said he will eat it and I said. Guys, we're breaking up. We're breaking up this channel.
From tomorrow you will see one Maharashtrian and 1.5 Maharashtrian.
We are breaking this channel into 2 parts.
Yes.
We are no
me and
longer
Riff-
compatible. Guys, we are no longer compatible.
Me and Riff, you alone.
Anyway, we have to go now. Let's go before this UK weather decides to start raining again.
We have 1 minute.
That's how you do what?
That's how you put
Reline your dustbin. है ना?
simple language. That's how you put dustbin bags in your.
Yeah,
dustbin.
that's how you put dustbin bag in your dustbin. Our video is so educational.
I cannot even open the bag.
Not us losing our mind every 2 minutes. And if you were wondering how we are going to take all our stuff back home, okay guys, let's go. That's too much product placement for a video.
Okay, it's locked.
This is our outfit of the day. OOTD. अरे सरल दाखव ना.
No, sorry, my side angle looks good.
Hello. So here, even if you don't know anyone, and if you're working anywhere,
Yeah.
they're going to just say, "You alright? You alright?" No, Tham. Let me do a good British accent. You alright?
Okay.
mate?
Then let's see.
You
who's
alright?
better. You alright?
You alright, mate? Yeah, आता मी बरोबर म्हटलं होतं. आता तू म्हण. Rate our accent. Rate it out of 10. Tell us who did better.
You alright?
You alright, mate?
Hey, na बोलून कोण येत आहे. Rasika wants to buy cycle just for.
Just for the free air. For
Channel.
people who think that places in abroad, all places are very clean, squeaky clean, they're not. And we are going to show you the best example of that.
I'm going to tell future generations we crossed 7 rivers to get to shopping on foot. Tell them where we are going tomorrow.
IKEA!
Darth Maul.
Not me.
Is it Lord? Unlimited power.
Hi, Aqua!
Aqua! Oh, that's so sweet. And our adventure begins.
Again.
Usually, you will see people rowing boats here.
Or
And,
paddle boating.
but that looks like a surfboard.
If you want to explain, I'm gonna post a picture of it here of paddle boating. It looks like surfing, but it's not.
Oh, by the way, we love this sport because he takes care of his plants so nicely.
It's usually fun.
It's our own little adventures. We like it.
Cheap thrills.
Someone literally threw a whole set of barricades, and these ducks are taking
I
advantage
know
of
where I'd
that.
rather be tonight. I know where I'd rather be tonight. Playing with fire with you.
Burger.
Fire with
Guys, if you're on a budget, then please come to Lidl. It's the cheapest place to shop and I love it.
I'm tired of being in love and all alone. So I'm playing with fire with you.
Even my cream is double.
Playing with
If
fire.
you are single,
No.
then what's your point?
That I don't think
Is it true that one could love two? Is it true that a man could love two? Cause I'm not with her, I'm with you.
I see it. Drop out it real quickly. Oh, be the window shop, more caught up. Subscribe.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, man. Bye.
free from her when I'm with
Guys, I think we're famous now. Hey, Madagascar vanilla extract म्हणून महाग आहे.
The logic of this girl is beyond me. Bye. Let's cross.
एक क्रॉस नाही इथून जाऊ.
Why? Okay. तो कर जिम तो जा नहीं रहे अपन.
I'm fit as hell. I'm fit as It's beeped. I can say
No more into
show
PG.
me the camera.
No more.
Show the camera to my face.
No more. You are cancelled.
Weather is
You are.
really nice. Guys, I think it's safe to say that famous.
I don't support this behavior. Okay, I don't support.
Okay, guys. So we just stepped out of the shopping center, like the little superstore, and these kids, they were just standing there
For us.
waiting for us.
To get autographs.
I mean, enough of the paparazzi, guys.
I'm going to tell a bad joke, but paparazzi हुए इसलिए शादी हुई. That was a good one.
हा तर सांगू तर दे चांगल्याने.
हाँ, तू चांगल्याने सांगतच
Ah,
नाही.
okay, anyway. So this group of kids, they were just waiting for us outside the store, and once we stepped out of the store, they just gathered around us and they started asking us for autograph and if they could subscribe to our channel. So we just told them about our channel name and they subscribed to our channel, and that is exactly what went down in that clip you saw. Just kidding. They saw us vlogging and they asked if we are
Yeah.
vlogging and if we are YouTubers and how many subscribers we have.
They were surprised by 1,500 subscribers.
But anyway, so they asked us if we could tell them our handle name, like our YouTube handle, and we
We
told them,
typed it, yeah.
and they subscribed right there. So thank you
And
for everyone who subscribed.
if you saw a very shaky video with lot of cheer, that was the moment they subscribed it.
Because we weren't expecting it to happen. You're looking very pretty. So yeah, so that's what happened, and we aren't used to something like that. It was really nice. Thanks, guys.
Whoever subscribed this just
But
now.
yeah, people who are watching this, please subscribe. अगर वो लोग कर सकते हैं तो why not you?
Don't talk in Hindi, please.
Please subscribe to our channel.
Just kidding. So
I have put subtitles. So whenever we talk in Hindi or Marathi, I'm
yeah.
gonna put down like subtitles.
okay, we are approaching our danger zone. Rin can see us from the window, and if he sees us, he starts shouting and crying. And there he is. Let's run, let's run.
A couple of days back, we went to East Ham with our friends, and I finally found
Not a sponsored video.
tea, Red Label,
Not a sponsored video.
and if you're an Indian, you know what I'm showing you.
It is written on that.
Ooh, and the best purchase of that day. Durum.
Good morning.
I just want.
standing by the wall, but a picture of elegance writing on the stall. Phone number, such a gentleman. Who you gonna call, baby? I've been waiting for you. We don't have to talk, we can sit still. Reticence, corner of my eye. What a wonderful card.
Okay, good morning. This is Sunday, the next day, let's get to breakfast. This is the grinder that we bought from Lidl. It was for £10. Since then we have been grinding our own coffee. This is usually how our breakfast looks. Coffee, bread, fruit. We replace fruit by a lot of things, so coffee and bread are constant usually.
Hi.
I already said good morning.
Good morning.
This is what my job looks like when I am off the job.
The cake is ready.
It looks like a giant.
Pastry. It's my first attempt, so it looks decent, I think.
It looks good.
It's slipping out my mouth, baby. I've been waiting for you. No, I don't wanna dance.
Happy birthday!
Baby, after you leave,
Happy birthday!
show it up on your phone. Be the last one to see.
Sunday.
I get so nervous when you think of you.
Guys, we didn't go to IKEA because he slept. And that's the truth.
Good. You spoke the wrong dialogue. Guys, we did not go to IKEA because she went to sleep. That's the correct dialogue. Anyway, we did not go to IKEA because we ate too much food and we slept.
I was raining outside.
Yeah, it was raining outside. We were late. We went to celebrate our friend's birthday. So we decided to go to Asda. Then we came home. We ate a lot of dosa.
And then we
And we ate good.
cancelled the Asda plan as well.
Yes.
Guys,
This was our 3-day vlog.
vlog.
But this
We're
is
back. We'll make more
with this
videos,
this is
hopefully.
how happening our weekends are.
Thank you for subscribing to our channel, all the new subscribers.
Yes,
Thank you
and
for subscribing and thanks for watching.
we
this
welcome you
video.
all on
Yeah.
this journey with us, and keep sharing and keep spreading the love. See you next time. And that is the new tagline. Did you not get the memo?
No. Thanks for watching. Please
That's
don't
fine.
forget to
Like, share.
and subscribe our video.
Our channel.
Our channel. It's been a month. It's been a month.
It's been a
Forgot.
month.
I forgot.
No, you are sleepy. Bye.
Hello guys, it's been a while. Okay, no. Start again. Let's start again.
I know where I'd rather be tonight.
Perks of living abroad.
I know
Taking
where
your
I'd
own
rather
trash
be
out.
tonight.
Can you see it?
Playing
Can you show
with
them the
fire
trash?
with you.
Why did I show them the trash?
With fire
Because
with
it's
you.
interesting. Maybe.
I'm tired of being in love and on my own. I'm tired of being in love and all alone. So I'm playing with fire with you.
Eh? Who
I'm
said it?
playing with fire with you. Is it true that one could love
I'm not
two?
used to it anymore.
Is it true
'Cause I'm
that a
making
man
it
could
big on
love
reels.
two? Cause I'm not with her, I'm with you. I'm
If
free
you don't know what that
from
means, then you're
hell
not
and I'm
following me on Instagram, which you should.
Because it's not a joke.
Guess where I'd rather be tonight? With someone who knows how to treat me right.